Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Sunitha Techie. If you are a recently graduate and looking for a IT job, then today's video is very important for you. I found 5 genuine off-campus openings from top MNC companies like NTT Data, Cognizant, PwC and HCL. I'll explain in this video eligibility criteria, salary discussion, skills required, work location, work from home or office, which student should apply, my recommendations, and what's till the end because one company is hiring freshers from almost every branch. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest hiring updates from my channel. So let's start with our first opportunity, which is from NTT Data, one of the world's leading IT and consulting companies. If you are a 2025 engineering graduate and want to build your career in networking, infrastructure, or cybersecurity, then this role is definitely worth for considering. Let's understand everything detail before you clicking on apply. First, let's understand about the entity data. Is a global IT service company operating in more than 50 countries. It provides services in cloud computing, networking, cybersecurity, infrastructure management, and AI, digital transformation consulting, and enterprise applications. Many Fortune 500 companies rely on entity data for managing their IT infrastructure. Starting your career here gives you exposure to enterprise level technologies and international projects. The role is technical graduate trainee, and the work location mentioned in Noida at Oxygen Business Tech Park. This is work from office role, so candidate should be prepared to relocate if selected. This is an entry level technical position designed for fresh engineering graduates. During the initial months, the company trains you on network concepts and enterprise tools, security practices, and corporate work culture. After successful training, you will be deployed to live projects. And moving to the training period. The training period is 3 months. Many freshers think training just classroom learning, but that's not true. You will likely learn networking fundamentals, enterprise routers and switches, Cisco technologies, ticketing tools, troubleshooting techniques, VPN configuration, network monitoring, corporate communication, and security policies. Training also helps the company evaluate your technical skills before assigning you to the projects. You will get the stipend during the training. You will receive stipend of 18,000 per month, and this helps cover accommodation, food, and transport expenses while you are learning. After successfully completing your training, that mentioned cities is 3.2 LPA. While the package may not be the highest, the experience you gain in networking and cybersecurity can significantly improve your future career perspectives. And now moving to the eligibility criteria. Let's discuss who can apply for this role. BE BTech graduates, relevant engineering branches 2025 pass out candidates and freshers. Always verify your branch eligibility before clicking on apply. And what are the certifications required for this? This is the one of the most important part of this job. The company mentions CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate, CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional. These certifications demonstrate your understanding of networking concepts and Cisco technologies. Even if you have only CCNA is mandatory or preferred, earning it can strengthen your skill. What are the skills required? Let's break down the skills required. TCP, the foundation of internet communication. DNS converts website names into IP address. DHCP automatically assign IP address to devices. VLAN creates logical networking as significant improve security and performance. Routing switching and Cisco networking. Network security, problem solving, ability to diagnose and resolve connectivity issues. Mainly, the last one communication, explaining technical issues clearly to teammates and clients. What are the daily responsibilities? As a technical graduate trainee, your daily work may include monitoring network health, troubleshooting connectivity issues, configuring routers and switches, assisting with LAN, WAN, and VPN deployments, supporting security implementations, updating documentation, working with senior network engineers, resolving support tickets, and prepare the interview questions as well as also revise computer networks, operating system, basic Linux commands, and network projects. Before clicking on apply, please update your resume according to the job description. Now, moving to the another job application, Cognizant is hiring for digital workplace practice. So many students think Cognizant hires only BTech graduates, but this hiring drive is different. If you are from BCA, BSc, BCom, BBA, BMS, and BOC or another eligible 3 years of degree, this could be one of the best off campus opportunities for you. In this section, I will explain everything from eligibility and job role to salary expectation, interview preparation, and career growth. So don't skip this part. You know, as you are aware of Cognizant is one of the world's leading IT service and consulting companies, serving clients in healthcare, banking, retail, insurance, manufacturing, and technology. This part hiring drive is the digital workplace practice service desk role, which is an excellent starting point for students who enjoy problem solving and customer support. Moving to the job description. Many students misunderstand the term service desk means it does not mean working at the reception desk. A service desk engineer provides technical support to employees or customers who face IT related issues. For example, a user's laptop is not connecting to Wi Fi, Outlook email is not responding, VPN is not working, password has expired, software installation is failing, printer is not responding, system performance is slow. As a service desk associate, your responsibility is to understand the issue, troubleshoot it, and resolve it if possible, or escalate it to the appropriate technical team. This role helps you build strong technical knowledge, communication skills, and customer handling experiences. Moving to the eligibility criteria. Let's carefully go through the eligibility requirements. According to the job posting, eligibility graduates include BCom, BCA, BSc, BBA, BOC, BMC, and other 3 years of full time degree programs. Eligibility pass out years 2025 and 2026, and students currently pursuing full time postgraduate courses are not eligible. Candidates should maintain at least 50% marks in academics. No active standing areas are allowed at this time of joining. These are important points that many students overlook, so read the job description carefully before applying. Moving to the job responsibilities. Let's understand what you will actually do after joining. First point of contact. You will receive IT related requests from the user through calls, emails, or ticketing systems. For example, I can't log in my laptop, my Outlook is not syncing, VPN disconnected. Your responsibility is to gather the necessary information, start troubleshoot. And ticket management. Every issue is recorded as support ticket. You will create tickets, update ticket status, track progress, and close tickets after successful resolution. Companies usually use tools like ServiceNow, Zira Service Management, or similar ticketing tools. And you have to work on troubleshooting. And if you can't resolve the issue, you will escalate it to the next support level. Knowledge base. You will document frequently asked questions, their resolutions, and this helps other engineers solve similar issues faster in the future. And SLA management. SLA stands for Service Level Agreement. Every ticket has a time limit with which it should be resolved. Meeting SLA is one of the most important performance metrics of service desk engineers. What are the skills required for this application? Let's discuss the skills Cognizant is looking for. Mainly, it is looking for good communication skill and you have to interact with users daily. Your communication should be polite and clear and professional. Problem solving. You should be able to identify the root cause of technical issues instead of guessing solutions. And basic computer knowledge. Understand Windows operating system, Microsoft and internet browser, email applications and networking basis. And customer handling. Adaptability. Benefits. Cognizant has mentioned several employee benefits. These include safe pickup and drop cab facilities for applicable shifts, night shift allowances, higher education support through the selected programs, recognition rewards for top performers, and professional training and learning opportunities. These benefits make the role attractive for freshers. Career growth. Many students think service desk has no career growth, but that's not true. A common career path is service desk associate, then senior service desk engineer, then technical support engineer. After that, system administration, and then cloud support engineer, infrastructure engineer, at the last, IT manager. You can also transfer into networking, cybersecurity, cloud, IT operations, or IT service management with additional certification and experiences. Before clicking on apply, please update your resume clean and ATS friendly and error free. Now let's move. One of the most exciting opportunity in today's video is Cognizant hiring for data analyst role. If you have been learning Python, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, SQL or data analytics and are wondering whether you have to use skills, this job could be a great fit. In this section, I will explain roles, required skills and who can apply for this application. So watch until the end because many students take data analyst jobs only for experienced professionals. But that's not always true. You know about the Cognizant. Moving to the job overview. According to the job posting, role is data analyst and location is Bangalore, India. Model is hybrid and category is technology engineering. A hybrid work model means you may work both from office and remotely depending on project requirement and company policy. What does a data analyst do? Many students hear the title data analyst but don't know what the actual work involves. Imagine an offline shopping company notices that sales have dropped in one region. They collected data such as customer orders, product categories, and delivery times and payments methods. A data analyst studies the data to answer questions like why sales decreases, which product are performed well, which cities generate the most revenue, are customer abandoning their carts, what improvement can increase sales. Instead of making decision based on assumptions, company use data to find accurate answers. That's a core responsibility of data analyst. Daily responsibilities. Let's understand what your daily day-to-day work might look. Data collection. You have to collect the data from the systems, database and spreadsheets. For example, sales records, customer feedback and website traffic and financial reports. And data cleaning and data analysis, dashboard creations and reporting. And what are the skills required for this application process? The job description highlights several important skills. Python. Python is one of the most widely used programming language for data analysis. You may use libraries such as Pandas, NumPy. These help in processing, analyzing, and visualizing data. Excel. You should know pivot tables and if statements, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and charts, data validation. Strong Excel skills are very highly valuable. And Power BI. Power BI is Microsoft Business Intelligence tool. You will also use to connect data and create visual reports. Tableau and exploratory data analysis. Business communication. Career growth. One of the biggest advantage of starting as a data analyst is strong career progression. A typical growth path could data analyst, then senior data analyst, business analyst, consultant, data scientist, and lead data scientist, and analytic manager. As you gain experience and learn advanced analytics, machine learning, and good technologies, your career opportunities expand significantly. Before clicking on apply, I will provide few resume tips. Make sure your resume include Python projects, SQL knowledge, Power BI dashboards, Tableau dashboards, Excel skills, data analytics certifications, final year projects with measurable outcomes, GitHub portfolio, LinkedIn profile with updated skills. Even simple academic projects can strengthen your profile if they clearly demonstrate your analytical skills. My recommendation: if you are interested in analytics, business intelligence, reporting, or data science, this Cognizant data analyst role is an excellent opportunity to start your career. The combination of Python, Excel, Power BI, and Tableau makes this future focused role with strong growth potentials. Even if you don't meet every skill listed, don't hesitate to apply if you have a solid foundation and willingness to learn. So that's everything you need to know about the Cognizant data analyst role. Next, we will move one of the most precious opportunity in today's list, PwC. PwC Associate Central Associate Trainee. I will also explain eligibility, responsibilities, and required skills, career growth, and interview preparation in detail. So stay tuned. Now let's talk about one of the most precious opportunities in today's video is PwC. Whenever students hear the name PwC, they immediately think of big four companies. That's because PwC is one of the world's largest professional services firms, offering excellent learning opportunities and good global exposure. If you are looking for a company that can strengthen your resume, provide long term career growth, don't skip this section. I'll explain everything about the associate trainee role, including eligibility, responsibilities, and required skills, interview preparation, and career growth. Let's understand first about PwC. PwC is a Price Waterhouse Coopers stands for and is one of the big four professional services firms and along Deloitte, EY and KPMG. PwC provides services in audit, tax, consulting, technology, risk advisory, data analytics, and business operations. The company serves thousands of clients and including Fortune 500 organizations, government agencies, and multinational corporations. Starting your career at PwC means learning global business standards and professional communication and modern corporate practices. Now let's discuss about important details. According to the job posting, the role is Acceleration Center Business Services Associate Trainee. This is an entry level opportunity where fresh graduates work with business operations and support teams. The role focuses on mainly high quality business processes, data accuracy, documentation, reporting, and supporting global teams. Unlike software development roles, this position emphasizes global operations, analysis, communication, and process improvement. Why does an associate trainee do? Many students ask, what will I actually do in this role? Let's understand with simple examples. Imagine a client needs thousands of business records verified and organized accurately. As an associate trainee, your responsibility may include reviewing business data, checking data accuracy, updating records, preparing records, supporting documentation, coordinating with global teams, following company processes, identifying and reporting errors. Accuracy is extremely important because business decision depends on reliable data. And what are the skills required for this PwC looking for? PwC is not looking only for technical knowledge. They also evaluate your professional behavior and workplace skills. Learning mindset. The company expects candidates who enjoy learning new technologies, business processes, and industry practices. Even if you don't know everything today, your willingness to learn matters. And communication skills. You will interact with colleagues, managers, and sometimes with international teams. You should be able to speak clearly, write professional emails, explain your ideas confidently, ask relevant questions. Analytical thinking. You are often analyze information before making decision. For example, finding inconsistencies in reports, comparing data sets, identify missing information, recognize platforms. And ownership, teamwork. Daily responsibilities includes as an associate trainee, your day may be include attending team meetings, reviewing business documents, maintaining accurate records, updating spreadsheets and reports, coordinating with senior team members, supporting business operations, following quality standards, completing assigned tasks within deadlines, learning new tools and internal processes. Why this role is valuable? Some students overlook business service roles because they are not purely technical. However, these roles help you build professional communication, business understanding, analytical thinking, documentation skills, and process management, corporate ethics. These skills are valuable regardless of whether you are late move into consulting, analytics, operations, and management. If you get shortlisted, be prepared for the interviews, interview questions. Resume tips before clicking on apply. Academic projects, internships, leadership roles in college, certifications, and MS Excel skills, communication achievements, and volunteer activities, team projects, problem solving examples. Keep your resume ATS friendly, free of spelling mistakes, and easy to read. For career growth, joining PwC can open many career paths. A typical progression may include like first you will join as an associate trainee, then moving to the associate and then senior associate, then team lead, assistant manager, manager, senior manager and director. With experience and continual learning, you can also move into consulting, data analytics, risk advisory, and business, transportation, and project management. Finally, let's discuss the last opportunity in today's video, and it's from HCLTech, one of the India's leading global IT companies. Many students ignore process associate role because they think they have limited growth. But that's not always true. If you perform well, continuously learn new skills, and understand the business process, you move into the higher roles with the company. In this section, I'll explain the role, responsibilities, required skills, and interview preparation, career growth, and who can apply. According to the job details, the role is process associate, and this is an entry level position where freshers support business operations, documentations, reporting, coordination, and process execution. Unlike software developer roles, you focus here on ensuring that business process runs smoothly, accurately, and efficiently. What does a process associate do? Let's understand the role with simple example. Imagine a client submit hundreds of requests every day. Someone needs to verify the information, update the records, coordinate with different teams, maintain documentation, ensure requests are completed on time. The person is often process associate. The work requires accuracy, communication, attention to detail rather than advanced programming. Daily responsibilities. Your daily activities may include documentation, preparing and maintaining the reports, spreadsheets, and business reports, data verification, checking whether the received information is accurate before processing it, and email communication, sending professional emails to clients and internal teams regarding update, classification, and completed tasks, coordination, working with multiple departments to complete assigned work within deadlines, report preparation, and meeting support, process improvement, suggesting way to improve efficiency, reduce efforts, and streamline work. Mainly for communication, you have to strong verbal and written English communication skills with an ability to coordinate. And then you have good skills in writing and written in English. What are the skills required? HCL is looking candidates with strong professional skills, English communication skill, and basic knowledge of Excel, Microsoft Excel, and highly potential benefits, Microsoft Office, and time management, problem solving. When issues rise, you are expected to analyze the situation and identify the practical solution instead of waiting for instruction. Who should apply? This opportunity is suitable for fresh graduates, BCom, BBA, BCA, BSc, and MBA. Engineering graduates. If you are looking to begin your corporate career in a reputed company and develop business operations experiences, this is worth for considering. Before clicking on apply, you will check your resume, internship experiences, academic projects, Excel skills, MS Office knowledge, communication skills, leadership activities, certifications, volunteer work, team projects. Keep your resume simple, ATS friendly, and free from grammar and spelling mistakes. Career growth. You will accept as a offer as process associate and senior process associate, process analyst, team leader, assistant manager, manager, and operations manager. You can also move into areas such as project coordination, business analysis, quality assurance, operation management based on your skills and initial opportunities. My recommendation, if you are looking for a to start your career in well established IT company, HCLTech is a strong position. This role helps you build professional communication, documentation, reporting, coordination, and business process skills. Remember, your first job does not define your entire career. The experience, learning, skill you gain in your first role often creates opportunities for better position in the future. These were top 5 off-campus hiring opportunities features in today's video. NTT Data is a technical graduate trainee and Cognizant digital specialist service desk. Cognizant data analyst. PwC associate trainee. HCLTech process associate. If you are eligible, apply as soon as possible because companies may close applications once they receive enough candidates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Sunitha Techie. I regularly post verified off campus hiring updates, interview preparation tips, and assessment guidance and career advice to help freshers land jobs in top MNCs. If you want application links, comment in the comment section which company you want to apply. I will share direct link with you. Thanks for watching. I wish you all the very best for your job search. I'll see you in the next video. So stay tuned.